118 definitely seems like something we've been concentrating on. Rationalize the denominators of the following fractions. 7 over 3 minus root 2. In a previous video, we talked about multiplying by the conjugate. Same deal here when we want to do it for denominators. The conjugate of 3 minus root 2 would be 3 plus root 2. Make sure we multiply by it in the top and bottom, numerator and denominator. And I guess I wouldn't necessarily distribute 7 times 3 plus root 2 over, and we don't have to show this work if we understand how the conjugates work. 3 squared minus the square root of 2 squared should be our 2. And this is where 7 times 3 plus root 2 over 9 minus 2 is 7 go away, and we're left with 3 plus root 2 right there. Similarly in B, 1 over the square root of x cubed. Couple different ways to do this one. You know, a good rule of thumb is just multiply by the same thing. So if we multiply by x cubed, we're going to end up with a little bigger than we want, but it's not that bad to simplify. So we've got the square root of x cubed up here, and then down here we're going to have the x cubed. I think that would be fine. May want to simplify here just a little bit. And what I mean by that is we can make that the square root of x squared times x, which would still be x cubed, over x cubed. Now the square root of x squared, that one of those x's gets to come out, one of the square roots gets to stay in. So what happened there was this went here and this stayed in over x cubed. Then you can see that we can simplify a little bit more here. We can subtract 1 down here and have the square root of x over x squared. Couple ways to do that one. This would be the most basic way. You could also do some fractional exponent subtracting, but one of those options of getting no square roots in the denominators is definitely something that needs to happen.